Gilly, show us your stuff.
Lay down. You lay down.
I told you he's not going to want to do it.
Gilly, go lay down. Show him up. You ready? You ready? You ready? What about this way? Want to do the other way? No? You want to go this way?
That's what gets me. I love it. Actually, I'm getting a little dizzy just watching him go in circles.
Can we go the other way? Go this way?
Yay, Gilly! He's a good kid. Wait. Don't make him want to... There he is. Hi, Gilly. He saw my hand. Oh, hi, Jack.
Bobo, you want to do it too?
Jack, you look so big. Gilly. He said, again.
You ready?
Again.
Gilly, you ready? You gotta hold on. Hold on.
Hey, Bobo.
Go hold on.
Ready, go.
You ready?
You
don't wanna do it?
No, he's done. Bye, Gilly.